happy to have you. And this is a long overweight video. Since I don't do streaming on Saturdays and I'm gonna do wig reviews, you know, I didn't get a chance to do a lot of the wigs that I had. And this is, you know, this is not new. This is like months old, probably 6 maybe or more. I have no idea when it first came out, but I got it and I was going to review it for my streaming. I didn't get to, so I was like, you know what, I was going to leave it closer to Christmas because it's, you know, it's kind of, it's a burgundy color, red kind of thing. And I was like, you know what, no time like the present. So I probably put it out for Christmas still.
Are you serious?
But you know, I just wanted to I was excited. I was like, you know, it's taking too long. So I'm going to do it today. And this is Outre Perfect Hairline Fully Untied 3x6 Lace Wig. And it's Miss Julianne. And it's in color DRFF Red Velvet. So let's see. It comes in a beautiful box, and it's it can take iron safe up to 400 degrees, and it's transparent lace and no plucking is required. So let's see. Open up the box. Booyah!
Nice.
What do you think? Like, beautiful. Oh, I never loved wig back in the day because I just thought it looked so false, and you put it on your head, you could see that you know, your head look wiggy. But they've been improving on it every year, and this is one of them. That's what it looks like. Taking it out of the box. I love it, and that's why I've been excited. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it looks like. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I already read it from the other box. They have the same thing on the tag. Let's see what they have on the inside. Just a picture of the girl, what she looks like, and I guess different color. Did they tell you the different colors? Chocolate swirl, honey blonde, honey brown, what is that? I can't say. With the red velvet, and I think this one is like a orange color. I need to wear my glasses when I'm doing these things. Fine prints kill me. So I'm taking out the stuffing. Alright. And take off the net. Like I'm struggling. And the pins. And this is what she looks like. And I forgot my scissors.
You serious?
Wonderful. Okay, and wow, it has the flexi band, and I hope it's big head friendly because my head is big. You know what I'm saying?
Are you stupid or something?
Big. It has the 2 teeth at the front, and of course the lace. Like, it's not bad. It's not bad. Look. It's pretty much, it looks transparent, as they said on the box, and they have a wig at the bottom. And then flexi straps. I doubt I'm going to use these. I probably have to cut them off eventually because it can't fit my head. Because I've seen other reviews and they said it's not big head friendly. So hopefully there's other people with bigger head than me and this fits me okay.
Stop it. Get some help.
But this, I definitely have to pull this off because it won't be able to fit my head. Okay. This is fighting me. to get off the band. Get off. Okay. Ooh, finally. Okay. So I'm just gonna fit it on there just to see what I'm have working with. Okay. Yep, it's definitely not okay. I don't want to count my chickens before they're hatched. I'll just put it on and see what I have. I haven't put on the clips, but I just want to see an overall view. It goes on it. I think I could stretch it on, you know. So let me work with it and and then see what happens, what I can, you know, if I can make it work. So I am going to fast forward the video, put it on my stand, fast forward the video, cut the lace off and do all those good stuff, put it back on my head and try to make it work to my head. Okay. So let's fast forward. Okay.
Step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So this is the finish look, you guys. I love it. I knew I would love it, you know. I'm psychic, you know. I'm psychic, you guys. It's beautiful. And as I said, I don't usually, when I do wigs reviews, I am not going to fasten it onto my head because I'm not going to use it or go anywhere normally when I do it. So, but when I am, I will definitely do that. And this is the how the front came out. I am in love. I am in love. I like the baby hairs to be natural, and that's the look I was going for. Love it. Love. Okay, I'll finesse it more like if I'm going out, but I just wanted you guys to see the rough overview. So this is the look. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, and it's believable, right? Right. Love. Birthday wig, for sure. And I don't know, I might, if they have any more colors, I'm thinking of picking some up because it's beautiful. Yeah. I am so happy to be with you today, and thanks for joining me on Psalms Beautiful Strands. And now it's time for Psalms Bible Corner. The scripture reading is taken from Psalms 47 verses 1, 2, and 3. Oh, clap your hands, all ye peoples. Shout unto God with the voice of triumph. For Jehovah Most High is terrible. He is a great king over all the earth. He subdueth peoples under us, and nations under our feet. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. You guys, thank you guys for joining me, and don't forget to stay in the scripture. Stay safe. God bless. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Okay, lady, I love you. Bye-bye.